3, 2, 1.
So hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Myself VIRAT and you're watching VIRAT Kids. So friends, a while ago, almost 2 days ago, I posted a video about Spider-Man's web shooter update in which I showed you a quick tutorial to build Spider-Man brand new days web shooters with triggers. So you guys actually showed a pretty quick and good response over that video, so that's why I thought I should also make the classic Tom Holland web shooter which he used for the first time when he got the play for Spider-Man. So yes guys, you have guessed right. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make Spider-Man homecoming web shooters. Well, it's the Stark Industries web shooters which were given by Tony Stark to Spider-Man in the Civil War. And if we also count homecoming, so well, this type of web shooter actually includes cartridges. Yes guys, I know that in my previous videos I also showed cartridges, but this type of cartridges can be replaced like this. As you can see, we can just simply put right here, and it actually works. Like I must have shown you inside about shooting this web shooter. So yes, this is what I'm going to show you in this video guys, and believe me guys, it's actually a very simple to build this web shooter. Its whole body is made of cardboard, and I also use some different materials. If you want to know more about them, then you may check the description box. So this is what I'm going to show you in this video. So let us start the video. that's it for today, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, then don't forget to smash the like button on the bottom of this video. Also let me know in the comments, did you like this video or not. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and thank you so much, guys, for your support. I have reached 1600 subscribers, so that's all up to you guys to bring more support like that. So thank you so much for that. And plus, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in my YouTube file, you can check it out from there. Like I've been telling you in almost every video of mine which I've uploaded in this week or before, or other videos in which I showed you the other tutorials about web shooters or something. I told you to follow me on Instagram, but you haven't. Guys, bro, what are you doing? Follow me on Instagram, because I upload some different type of content there. Like I show some insights and behind the scene tutorials and guides about some different type of content, you know. I share some thoughts, and you can guess is what I trying to say. So if you want to know what I'm trying to say and want to see about more of mine and my tutorials behind the scenes and some more, you can just follow me on Instagram, guys. It's just in the description box, you can also check it out from there. So that's it for today, guys. Till then, sayonara, bye bye.